Here is the Brave Finance. So the Xenea Wallet Testnet is currently live. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can claim your Xenea Wallet Testnet, right? And transact, you send and receive to others to be eligible for this Xenea airdrop, right? And I have seen a lot of video outside on social media showing the wrong way. So in this video, I'm going to show you the right way, how you can do it properly without any issue, right? So let's begin. So for you to start doing this, what you need to do is to tap on the button. So once you tap on it, then you tap on manage your address. So once you tap on manage your address, then you tap on this button again. So here you can see your private key here, then you copy your private key. So once you come to your OKX Web3 wallet, then you tap on this button here. So here you can see add wallet here, then you tap on it. So once you tap on it, you can see create wallet and import wallet here. So here you tap on import wallet. So here you tap on seed phrase or private key. So once you tap on it, then you tap on OK. So here you are going to paste your private key here. Then after that you confirm it here. So after that it will bring it here. So here you will tap on EVM compatible network. So once you tap on it, then you tap on OK. So here after that you tap on confirm. So you can see loading wallet. So this is our wallet, we imported it right now. So after that you click on it. So once you click on it, then you copy your address, right? So after you copy your address, then you head over to the Xenea Discord channel. So here you tap on accept invite. So I will leave the link on the description or comment section of this video, right? So you copy it. So after that, here you tap on welcome. Once you tap on welcome, then you click on the Discord icon here. So once you tap on, you scroll to top, then you click I have read and agree to the rules. So then I'll tap on complete. After that, you click on the same icon again, then you click on the this button here. So here you can see this shows that we have accessed the Discord, right? So that we can also send our address to receive the Wallet Testnet, right? So here you come back and scroll to top here. So once you scroll to here, then you tap on the Testnet Wallet. So once you tap on it here, then you click on the message icon section here. So here what you need to tap is slash force, right? Wallet is F. You tap on FE, you can see we can tap on any one of them, right? These two, then we can tap on it. So you tap on the first one. So here then you paste the address we copy from our OKX wallet, or if you do it on your MetaMask, you paste the same address you copy from the wallet. So after that you send it, right? So you can see they have right here 10 Xenea are heading to your wallet, right? But you can do it again, you can send it again, but I think it's 12 hours per the faucet, right? So you can see you can only make one request per 12 hours, right? Please try again in there. So if you tap on the slash faucet, right, with the FAU and paste the address here, you can see the message will give us that you can see you can only make the one. So that is how I request for this. So the next thing is go back to the OKX wallet and add the custom network. So you click on the global icon here. So once you click on it, then you come to custom networks. So once you click on it, then you come to add network. So here you're going to paste the network name, which is the T Xenea and other those things, right? So I'm going to leave all this on our Telegram channel. So I have all this on our Telegram channel, right? So what you need to do is just check the link of this video description section or the comment section. You get our Telegram channel, then you can access all those things. So this is our Telegram channel, right? So this is the network name, right? So you can simply copy it, right, and then you paste it. So here Airdrop, you copy it and go, so here paste that here, right. Then the RPC, you can also copy it as well, the same thing, right. So here copy it. So after fill all the necessary requirement details here, then add network will be highlighted here, then you tap on add network, right. So the test token has now reflected here, right, which is 20 Xenea, right. So this is the just testnet token, right. It does not have any value. So what you need to do, just get someone address, then you send it for the person also send to you, right. So that's how this test token works, guys. So I will leave my address, right, on the description of this video, then you send to me, I will also send you back. You can use this strategy for any wallet you have, right, whether it's MetaMask or Bitget wallet, any Web3 wallet you have, you can use this method to do it, right. So it's not for only OKS, right, you can use any Web3 wallet to do this, right. So guys, this video was helpful. Consider to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you'll be the first person you see it. And check the link on the description section or comment section of this video, and join our Telegram channel, our WhatsApp group, for more discussion about Xenea and ways to earn money online. See you guys in the next one.